Relink brought us value almost immediately. We were touching on certain topics that we saw trending in the maintenance department, and what we did is just cover those topics, send it out to all of our residents, and we almost saw an immediate drop in that particular service request. My name is Ben Daniels. I'm the service manager at Watermark Residential. We're multifamily housing, and this one's got 4 buildings and 176 units.
For residents, we started using it in kind of a different way. We would send reminders of just kind of different community rules. It's been really helpful because they typically tend to watch those videos more than read through kind of a blah email.
Well, as a service manager, I immediately saw value that we could utilize it in informing some of our residents on standard or typical trends that we saw. So we did things such as changing out air filters, the smoke detector system, garbage disposals, dishwashers.
The most impressive part about Relink, I think, is just how easy it was to use, and also how easy it was to get a hold of somebody if we maybe needed an idea or get any help with anything. It's just so easy to reach out to Relink, but the good thing is we haven't had to do that a ton because it is so user-friendly.